Hi, welcome to the IAS Companion. I'm your host, Meghna. Today, we're talking about the Industrial Revolution, one of the most important and far reaching events in human history. The Industrial Revolution began in Britain in the late 18th century and spread to other parts of the world in the 19th century. It was a time of great change as new technologies and innovations transformed the way goods were produced and transported. The rise of the factory system, the growth of new sources of energy, such as coal and oil, and the development of new forms of transportation, such as steamships and trains, all played a role in the growth of the Industrial Revolution. One of the most significant inventions of the Industrial Revolution was the spinning jenny, which was invented by James Hargreaves in 1764. This machine revolutionized the production of textiles, allowing cloth to be produced more quickly and cheaply than ever before. This was followed by other innovations, such as the power loom, which was invented by Edmund Cartwright in 1784, and the steam engine, which was invented by James Watt in 1765. These innovations, along with others, changed the way goods were produced and transported, leading to the growth of new industries and the decline of older industries, such as agriculture and craft production. Now let's dive into various effects of Industrial Revolution. Starting with the social effects, the rise of the factory system brought with it a new way of life for many people. Workers were forced to leave their homes and work long hours in dangerous and unhealthy conditions in the factories. Children as young as 6 years old were employed to work in the factories, often for up to 16 hours a day. The harsh working conditions in the factories led to the growth of trade unions and the labor movement, as workers sought to improve their working conditions and secure better wages. On the political front, the Industrial Revolution led to the growth of democracy and the decline of the feudal system. It also created new opportunities for political and social change as people became more aware of the issues facing their communities and began to demand greater rights and freedoms. The Industrial Revolution was also a catalyst for the growth of nationalism, as people in different countries sought to develop their own industries and assert their independence from other countries. The economic effects of the Industrial Revolution were far reaching and profound. It led to the growth of trade and commerce, and the creation of new forms of banking and finance, such as joint stock companies, made it possible for people to invest in new businesses. The growth of the factory system and the development of new technologies allowed goods to be produced more quickly and cheaply, leading to the growth of mass production and consumerism. The Industrial Revolution also led to the growth of the middle class, as people who were successful in business and industry became increasingly wealthy. Finally, the environmental effects of the Industrial Revolution were significant and often negative. The growth of the factory system and the use of new sources of energy, such as coal and oil, led to the growth of pollution and the degradation of the environment. Cities became known for their poverty and pollution, as factories belched smoke and workers lived in cramped and unhealthy conditions. The Industrial Revolution also led to the growth of deforestation, as trees were cut down to provide fuel for the factories and to make room for new roads and transportation routes. In conclusion, the Industrial Revolution was a turning point in human history, with far reaching effects on the social, political, economic, and environmental landscape. While it brought about many advances and improvements, it also created new challenges and difficulties, and its legacy continues to shape our world today. That's it for today's episode. I hope you found it helpful. We put a lot of effort into creating this podcast to help IAS exam aspirants like you. If it was helpful in any way, we would be extremely grateful if you could take a few minutes to leave us a review and rating. It helps other IAS exam aspirants to find our podcast and benefit from it. Your feedback is incredibly valuable to us as it helps us to improve and create even better content for you. Your success is our top priority, and we want to be there for you every step of the way. Don't forget to tune in for our next episode, where we will delve deeper into the subject. Thank you for listening.